Hello friends. So already we are going to start a new playlist. So that is regarding computers. So in the computers we are going to start MS Excel. So everyone, each and everyone from kids to younger and older people, everyone can learn easily by watching all the videos from us. So please make a subscription to get all the videos from computers. So let's start the MS Excel. So now before starting the MS Excel, first of all, you have to understand the importance of MS Excel. So let us see, after that one we go for in detail. So you will learn each and everything from MS Excel. So about Microsoft Excel. So now we will get a question that why it is. So what is MS Excel? MS Excel is a spreadsheet, so which is used as a data management tool. So now what it features, so we can perform calculations, graphic graphing tools, pivot tables, micro programming language like VB. So now, so in detail when we are going into depth topics, so we will clear all the things, how it is used as calculation, how it can be used as a graphing tool and pivot tables, everything. So now what is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is a grid of cells arranged in numbered rows and letter named columns. So when we observe the spreadsheet, we have two types of things. So horizontally we observe letters and vertically we observe numbers. So now in the MS Excel we have functions which help to answer statistical, engineering and financial needs. So now completely when we are going to take a depth topic, we used to name a cell. So what is meant by cell? We will see. So already just now we have taken the topic called alphabet and number. So now we can see that a cell is nothing but the point where a column and a row meet is called a cell. Suppose if you want to say first cell, you should not say first, second like that. Either you have to name it as A1, A2, A3 like that, or B1, B2, B3 like that. So the meaning of B1 is B column and first row. B2 means B column, second row. So that is the point where row and column meet. So now very important thing is we have to go for the use of addresses of cell. So letter representing the column and the number representing a row. So A3, A4, A5 is address. So we deal with the MS Excel, everything is collection of spreadsheet or worksheets. So what about the workbook? Workbook is nothing but simply a collection of worksheets. Usually on the MS Excel we observe sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, but we can increase the sheets and we can remove the sheets and we can rename the sheets. So when we are going to rename, which helps us to go or search quickly. So now entire MS Excel is brief summary. So when you look at a spreadsheet or worksheet, in front of you, you appear the things or components we are going to see now. It is very important. So first we call where we locate a pointer, active cell, row, horizontal one, column. Generally, when we want to say copy or something, we used to take a fill handle. We'll see. Address bar, where the usually the title will be displayed. Formula bar, we used to perform some formulas or functions like that. So title bar. File menu consists of some menu which includes storing, printing, everything. So quick access toolbar means to save we have some floppy symbol. So to undo we have some arrow marks. So ribbon tab. So worksheet tab. So below this one, status bar. So these are all the 12 components, very important components. Unless you know the components, you cannot go further. So what is active cell, what is row, what is column, what is fill handle, what is address bar, formula bar, title bar, file menu, quick access toolbar, ribbon, worksheet tab, status bar. So now this is a first one from the MS Excel. So it is from Microsoft company, very useful in analyzing data. So we will see further. Please subscribe.